Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here bringing you the reading for the week of 15th of November till the 21st of November. 15th of November, that is the Monday, till the 21st of November, that is the Sunday. And before I start, like I always tell you, please go ahead and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Insta as well as on Facebook. So let's go ahead and start our reading with our first sign, and that is the sign Aries. Let's see what the week has in hold for the people born under the sign Aries. People born under the sign of Aries, I see a growth coming your way. So if you are asking me about your career, and the career looks good, I see a growth. It is a growth that you were waiting for so long. It is coming your way, but you have to be very careful about the people who are not your well-wishers, who might do something behind your back. So just be very careful about that person. Finance looks fine. It is not a great growth that is showing for the Aries people this week where your finance is concerned. Your health looks okay, just a little bit of stress here and there, but you have to be careful with the health of a person whom you are close to, a female figure, a older female figure, maybe your mother, your grandmother, or someone that age. You might have that kind of problems related to their health, so you have to be careful with that. Otherwise, this week looks fine for people born under the sign Aries. Finance is the same. Growth and career definitely there. Please be careful about the people who are not your well-wishers, so they might do something behind your back. Just take care for your health. I don't see much of an issue, but there might be an issue coming for some elder female figure in your family. So that's it for Aries. 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. People born under the sign of Taurus, where your career is concerned, I see a forward moment coming, so that definitely career will show you some kind of moment or some kind of positive moment. Their finance looks fine. I don't see much growth in the finance. It is going to be the same, no loss, no gain kind of a thing. But where your relationship are concerned, definitely there is a person coming in your life who is a strong figure, who will be your backup, or who is going to be very helpful in to you in long term kind of a thing. So that kind of a person is coming to you in this week. You will find that kind of a person. Also, you will find a support of an elderly person, maybe a grandfather or uncle, or someone who is going to be a great support to you this week. So there is support, a strong support coming to you this week, where your you can say overall thing is concerned. Also, there are chances that definitely there is a career growth is, but then there are chances that you are not seeing things around you properly. So there are chances of neglecting important things in your life this week. So just be very careful. Keep your eyes and ears open, and then do whatever you are planning to do. Finance looks fine to me. There is, like I told you, no gain, no loss kind of a thing. Career, definitely a moment is coming. Support is coming from a woman, a strong woman, or there will be a woman in your life who is going to support to you this week whenever you need that support. Also, support coming from the elderly male, maybe a father figure or uncle or grandfather, someone who's going to be a great help to you this week. Your health looks fine. I don't see any problems coming in your health. Now 3 cards for people born under the sign Gemini. People born under the sign Gemini, if I see where your finance is concerned, the first thing, definitely whatever you have been thinking of, the increase in the finance, it is still a wait, because your luck, you can say, or whatever it is, it's something like how much hard you will work, the gain is that much, the finance is going to come to that much. So it is wanting for you to work hard. So this week is something that how hard you work, how hard you work, that much you will get the profit. It's something like that. If you don't work, you will not get it. Also, where a relationship are concerned, I see a happy moment coming to you in your life this week. Some enjoyment, some celebration, with family coming. Maybe you might buy a new house or new property or something new coming in your life that is showing the excitement and that is showing the happiness in your relationship. Also, I see a travel happening to you, maybe family going out, family get together, or family, all getting together. So travel is indicated where the celebration or the togetherness is concerned. Health looks fine, happiness around, so I don't see any problems in your health. Career is also going to be normal as it is, not much growth or nothing, a problem coming to you this week. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer. 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer. People born under the sign of Cancer, if I see your career is something where you have been waiting for the promotion, you have been waiting for the growth, you have been waiting for some good news coming from the career, but this is not the week that it is going to come to you. So there is still a wait showing. Where your relationship are concerned, the card is suggesting somewhere you're not trying hard enough to meet new people or try to stay in touch with the people so there have been a little bit of loneliness seen this week coming to you, because you are not trying to go out and meet people. You have shut yourself down. So for that reason, this week might be something where you will feel sad, you will feel lonely. So if there is a suggestion that you go out, meet new people, that will make your this week a little bit better and happy. Also, see the things as it is. Don't try to have the illusion, or don't try to neglect the things that is seen. Something that is seen is there, so you have to see it and try to see it in such a way, yes, it's there. It's not something that is going to go away from there. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Don't create an illusion for yourself, stay in reality. So that's what it's saying. So this week, basically, if you see for Cancer people, for relationship, you will have to work hard to have that happiness and joy that you need, because it's in your hand. You have shut yourself down. Career, there is still a wait in the growth, because whatever you have been waiting for, it's showing a wait. So this week might not be a growth that you are looking for where the career is concerned, and come out of the illusion, see the right thing, see the fact, and move ahead. Where your you can say relationship are concerned, it's nothing bad or nothing good this week, and that's it for Cancer people. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. For the people born under sign Leo, definitely a growth in career coming this week. I see the growth that you have been waiting for. You see that growth, though it is not that great a growth, but definitely a growth will come. This is the week where you are going to move ahead with that positivity, with that, you can say, the josh and the energy, to move to that point, or to go and achieve whatever you want. So this week is something full of energy and full of positivity for you, for the achievement of whatever you want in your life. So this will be a week where you will be like full of energy. Also, there are chances that due to this the energy, the over energy, you can say, there are chances that you might not get the sleep properly. Sleep will be disturbed or something like that where your health is concerned. So try to calm yourself down a little, and try to get as much relaxation as possible, because this is a week where you have abundant energy, you can say, energy that is more than what you need. So there will be a problem with your sleep where your health issues are concerned. So if you are deprived of sleep, there are chances that you you might get headache or pressure or something, so just be very careful about that. Relationship looks normal. I don't see any problems in your relationship this week. Definitely a growth is there in your career. Health looks fine. You are going to be very positive and full of energy this week. You will be sleep deprived where your health is concerned, so just relax and take care of yourself. Now we are going to go ahead and do Leo and Virgo. Now we are going to go ahead and do Virgo. So for the Virgo people, definitely finance. If I see finance, something that is hinting me this week is you donate more, you get more. So something you need to donate this week to the poor or the needy, and definitely you will see an increase in your financial condition. I see a total cut or total end of something that you have been doing. Maybe where the career is concerned, there might be something that you might change the job, or that you might suddenly change your career somewhere, so that will be a sudden change coming to you this week. Also where your relationship are concerned, I see a celebration coming in the family. I see enjoyment and I see fun coming to you where your relationship are concerned in this week. So this week is something that is a week of celebration for you, enjoyment, happiness coming to you from family. So but definitely a major change coming to you. You might end whatever you're doing and start a new thing this week. Those kind of energies are here. Finance is once you start once you donate a little bit of things, clothes or something to the needy people, your finance growth is seen this week. And health looks normal. I don't see any problems coming in your health this week. Now we are going to go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Libra. People born under the sign Libra, this week looks a little bit stressful for you. Why I'm saying this? Because there are people that you have to deal with in this week who are basically you can say not your well-wishers. They usually are very good on the face, but behind your back they might be talking bad about you, or maybe you can say backstabbing you, not listening to you, doing whatever they want behind your back. So somewhere where your career is concerned, basically this work is concerned, you have to be very careful. Also this week is a week where you feel tied down. This energy is coming to you where you feel tied down, you can't do anything, nothing is in your hand. That kind of feelings you will be getting this week. So Librans, just be a little calm and little patience, because this is just a week and it will pass away. So just try to relax this week. But with this card also, there is a Magician card. So whatever you are feeling somewhere, whatever you plan to do this week, or you are doing this week, or you will be doing this week, is going to be successful. So think properly and do something that you do without frustration, because that will help you to move forward. Because it's a Magician card, so whatever where your relationship are concerned, if you do something good, or if you want to move into a new relationship, it's a good time for you to do it. Where career is concerned also, if you put your efforts in your career, definitely it is going to show a positive result to you. Health looks fine. It's just a little bit of stress that will bother you this week. Otherwise everything looks fine. Where your finance is also concerned, definitely if you work hard for your finance, the Magician card is going to work its magic and you will see the finance coming to you. The only one thing that you have to be very careful is about negative people. I have a card that shows that there will be this week people around you who are very negative. So there are chances that a negative energy might affect you somewhere, but if you stay protected, it shouldn't matter to you. So that's it for Librans. Now we'll go ahead and do people born under the sign Scorpio. People born under the sign of Scorpio, if I see, definitely a weight is there where your career is concerned. If you're waiting for a promotion, if you're waiting for a growth, still this week looks like a wait, so you will have to be waiting for it. Finance looks normal. There is not much growth that I am showing in your finance. Yes, there will be some kind of discussion and some kind of talks, you can say, going on for a promotion or maybe some increase in finance, but definitely I don't see an increase this week coming to you. In your relationship there is a forward moment showing, so if you are single or something, there will be things that will or there will be proposal coming to you, or if you are into a relationship, this week is something where you can enjoy and where there will be happiness in your relationship. Also, somewhere due to your you can say some kind of work and some kind of things that's not happening in this week, like your career growth or something like that, might cause you a little bit of sadness, a little bit of depression. See, it's something like we don't get everything in life, so some things we have to let go sometimes, so that thing might affect you somewhere, and that sadness and loneliness will come to you this week. So just think positive, move forward with a positive note, and this week shall pass. Otherwise your relationship looks superb, the weight is there, but it shall grow into a positive result some coming week or something like that. Finance looks fine too, so don't worry. Just in your health there are chances of depression, so just be very very careful to not keep yourself lonely, or go out and meet people, bring that happiness back into your life this week. Now we go ahead and do three cards for Sagittarius. For the people born under the sign of Sagittarius, where your career is concerned, I see a work burden coming to you. So this week is something where you will be having a lot of work, and that burden might affect your health a little bit here and there. So the career and health is related here, because you're taking so much burden and so much stress from your work this week. There are chances that you might fall sick, or you might have headache, migraines, or some kind of stress related issues, maybe pressure too. Also, where your finance is concerned, I see a finance means you will try this week to juggle your finance, saving some money this week, or thinking of saving some money and keeping an investment this week. So that kind of thoughts where your finance is concerned is going to be there this week. Definitely a travel somewhere where your finance is concerned, or maybe to resolve some kind of financial issue, you might travel this week. So a little bit of travel is seen. Also, you have to be very very careful. You are taking stress where your health is concerned, so you have to be careful about that. Plus you also have to be very very careful about your leg, getting your leg hurt, or just if you ignore your leg pain, it might increase. So just be very very careful about your leg, not to fall, not to fracture it, not to hurt your leg, because there are chances this week it can happen. So, and where your career is concerned, definitely stress is coming, but the growth is also coming with it. So don't be worried about the growth looks fine. So somewhere your hard work and the burden that you are taking this week will grow to a better future. So that's it for Sagittarius. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. People born under the sign of Capricorn, where your relationship are concerned, you have to be little careful, because there are chances of a heartbreak coming to you this week. So if you are already into a relationship, make sure that you just listen, don't get angry, or don't make any firm decision or a sudden decision this week, because that might affect your relationship. Where your career is concerned, there is a growth showing, but not that much of growth. You might hear about your growth, or you might feel that you're getting a growth, but that growth is still not coming to you this week where your career is concerned. There are chances, because of the relationship card like this, or something can happen, your mood swings are going to be haywire. You might be somewhere very low sometimes and somewhere very okay. So that mood swings is coming to you this week. Also, one good news is people who are trying to conceive, or have fertility issues or something like that, this week is something they might hear a positive answer or a positive message that is coming to them regarding fertility, or maybe there are chances of pregnancy, or there are chances of a baby coming this week. So that's a good news. So for the people born under the sign Capricorn, please be very very careful where your relationship are concerned, because I see a heartbreak. So don't let any kind of little fights or any kind of little issues affect your relationship. Your mood swings is going to be up and down, so take care of that thing. Definitely a growth is shown in the career, so no worries about that. Finance looks fine, nothing gain or nothing lost, you can say. And one good news is the fertility card, so there are chances where the people are trying to become pregnant. This is the week they might hear the good news. So that's Capricorn. Now we'll go ahead and do Aquarius. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. People born under the sign of Aquarius, yes, this is a week where you'll meet new friends and something like an enjoyment week where your relationship are concerned. So good, like a party time this week for people born under the sign Aquarius. Definitely a financial growth is seen, but somewhere, you know, it's a growth that is very, very slow that's coming to you this week. So it won't be a sudden growth kind of a thing. There is a little growth in finance that is showing, because somewhere that finance has a blockage that has come this week from somewhere, and you know, giving donations to needy people or helping them might help you to push this finance card ahead. So, you know, just go ahead and do that. Where your health is concerned, there are going to be mood swings, or there is going to be up and down in your mood swings somewhere. You know, suddenly you are happy, then suddenly you are sad, so that is going to affect you this week. So take care of your moods and try to be patient. Where you feel low or something, try to go out and have party, or, you know, meet your friends. Also, there are chances this week where the relationship are concerned, you might meet new people, or there might be people coming in your life this week who will be your well-wishers, or who are the person who will stay with you long term. So people who are not in a relationship this week might be a lucky week for them, where they'll find their maybe find their loved ones, or maybe they'll find their partner this week. So if you see the relationship cards, is good for Aquarius. Just the mood swings up and down will make them little low. Finance is good, it can increase with giving the donations or feeding the poor people. And this is a week where you are going to meet new friends, and you are going to party and have fun too. So that's it for Aquarius people. Now we'll go ahead and do our last sign, and that is the sign Pisces. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Pisces. If I see the cards for the people born under the sign Pisces, this is a week where you have to be very, very careful about the people around you. You have been trusting people who are not your well-wishers. So this week is something where you will find out that these people are not my well-wishers. There are chances of robbery, there are chances of taking away your pride, taking away something like, you know, you have worked hard for. It's something in career also, like you have made the project, you have done the whole thing, and the credit goes to someone else. So there are chances that can happen in your career, so be very, very careful about that. Definitely growth is there, you are growing in your career, and this week also will show a growth, but not that great a growth that you have been waiting for. You have to be very, very careful about the people I told you who are not your well-wishers. Also in relationship, there will be issues this week that will affect your health somewhere, or it's going to affect your moods basically. So this is not a week where you can make new relationship or try to get into a relationship, because it is going to cause you some kind of you can say depression or some kind of mood issues kind of a thing. You are not going to stay happy if it happens somewhere. So definitely if you see the career, the growth is there, but you have to be very, very careful about the people who are your competitors or who are not so well-wishers of yours. Finance looks fine, normal, nothing gain, nothing lost. Your health might affect a bit because of the people who are not your well-wishers, and somewhere in relationship there might be some kind of issues that might make your moods a little bit haywire. So just be very, very careful about that, and that's it. So this was the last sign, Pisces, and we are done with this week's reading. We will come back with the another week's reading, of course, next week. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, stay positive, and please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Facebook as well as on Instagram, so please go ahead and like my channel there too. So that's it. Take care. Love you all.